Well, gone are the days of holding this level against the wall and then drawing pencil lines all over the place, because CIGMAN has sent me their laser level. This is the CM-S04. They sent me this in exchange for the review, so let's find out just how accurate this is. And it turns out this was actually pretty good timing, because my wife has a whole bunch of things that she wants me to hang on the wall, and I'm used to one-handing the level and doing pencil marks all over the place. But with this guy, we can just set it up and put lines either horizontally or vertically, pretty much wherever you want. So let's give it a peek. All right, let's talk major pros of the CIGMAN here. Well, one thing, for example, is if you wanted a DeWalt 360-degree laser level, you're looking at about $500. This guy can be found for under $200. So I think this is gonna be a little bit better for your average DIY guy like myself who's doing smaller projects. I'm not running a full construction site. I think having something like this in your tool chest for days when you want to set it up on a tripod, you want to have a perfectly level line, you want to get to work and then be able to put it away. Now, the best pricing from this thing is actually direct from CIGMAN. I'll put a link in the description where you can check current pricing, or Amazon has it as well. All right, let's see everything that comes in the box. Now, they send it in this handy dandy box, and then it's in quite the case. All right, we don't need that anymore. Now we've got a case. Okay, so here is our laser level. I already threw the battery in there. So there's 2 batteries that come with it. And when I put the battery in, it actually was already fully charged, so that's kind of cool. Fair warning, when you put the battery in, make sure this is on the lock setting. I don't know why lock and unlock means on. You would think power means on, but hey, lock off, unlock on. If you throw the battery in while this is in the unlock position, it's gonna laser you in the face, which is exactly what happened to me, but I think I'm gonna be okay. I still can see just fine. All right, so you got your laser level. We've got our remote control, so you can control your various lines and the brightness right from the remote. User manual, handy dandy laser guide. And then they've got a couple of stand options for you. You can set this on various places. Set it on a table, adjust your elevation. You also can throw it on a tripod. It's got a tripod mount right here. I think in most circumstances, if you're in a large room, the tripod mount is gonna be your best bet. And here is a tripod mount that is adjustable. So you can put that on your tripod. And then you've got some fine adjustments here, changing your angle. Now, I'm your average DIY guy, so if I can figure this out, you can figure this out. And probably the easiest way to do this is let's throw it on a tripod. And the bracket mount that they give you, fun fact, has magnets on it. So if you've got, you actually can use that steel plate. You know, anywhere you can hang the steel plate, you can then magnet. Ooh, wow, that is a strong magnet. Okay. But I'm gonna use this tripod. We're just gonna get some lines on the wall, and then we'll demonstrate the self-leveling function here. Got it up on the tripod. Now I just have to hit the unlock button. Always watch your eyes. It'll bounce around for a second, and then it will find level. Gives me an indication here on the back at what degree it is, so it's pretty much level. Now we can check with our big old giant, what I've used to be holding right about there. And that looks spot on, and then I just moved it, and that's how much fun you have. Let's check this vertical line. And that looks spot on as well. Okay, so that's fun. So pretty simple. If you just want to get a couple lines on the wall, then I can use the remote if I want to change the lines. Now, another feature of note is app integration. So it's got Bluetooth. You can add it to, normally I would add it to my phone, but I'm recording with the phone. So I added it to my iPad, and that allows me to turn the lines on and off just with a touch, and then you can change the brightness and you can see your reading. So if you were using this, say 40 or 50 yards away, it's gonna give you your degrees of your X and your Y axis, or you can turn the lines on or off as you prefer. So the app is pretty handy if you need to use it in a larger space. Now, battery life says 52 hours, and you've got the 2 batteries. Then they've got a charging port here on the side. So it seems like this thing should be good for a full day on a construction site. Or for me, it'll probably take about a full day to hang these pictures. So that's good to have that extra battery What are some great use cases for this? I think hanging, cabinetry, doing trim work, anything you need to do where you need a perfect level line and you want to set it up once. This is doing a full 360-degree line, which means as you're walking around the room, I can see lines all around here. And so especially if you need to hang something straight across a wall, this is going to be extremely helpful. Now I can demonstrate how it'll self-level. So if you kind of bounce it, it'll bounce around a little bit, and then it'll come back to center, and then it will stop. So that's nice. It will find that level again if it gets bumped or knocked. Now, another nice thing being made for the construction site, it does carry a waterproof and dust resistance rating. So that's nice. If it gets splashed, it should be okay. I wouldn't throw it in a body of water, but if it does get a little bit of dust from the construction site, it should be just fine. Now, would I say there are any cons to this unit? Well, one thing I would say is it's going to take a little bit of work for you to get it set up. It wasn't the most intuitive thing that the lock-unlock is the on-off, especially when there's a big power button right on the back. I kept pushing the power button thinking this thing is going to come on. Had to bust out the manual and realize, oh, it's the lock and the unlock button that's going to turn those lasers on and off. So that took me a little bit of a minute. But you've got that remote so you can turn your lines on and off as you walk around the room. The app does not have a ton of features, but it will enable you to increase brightness, turn lines on and off as you're walking around the room without having to come back. I think having the app and having the remote is nice. You're not constantly walking back to this and punching the buttons, especially since when you punch the buttons here, watch it, I'm gonna be moving my lines all around as well while I'm doing that. So that's gonna enable you to not have to do that. It's got enough accessories in the box, especially this mounting system. You're gonna need a tripod for that, or if you have a table or something. Because in my use case, I need lines that are up here, so I'm gonna have to mount it up a little bit higher. Now it also does have a manual mode, so I can get my lines on here, hold the power button, and then we actually can tilt and put those lines where we want. But as you notice, now they're not level. This is manual, right? So I'd have to actually mark a line that I want and then set this up manually. So that's good too. If you know you want a certain angle that you need to achieve a line at, you can do that as well. Now, is this the type of thing you want in your toolbox? Let me know in the comments what questions you have about using a laser level. Hey, for me, this was my first time and it's a lot of fun, especially when I'm used to holding up a large level with one hand and having pencil marks all over the wall. Well, this is Jason for Poodle Dad. I will link this guy in the comments if you want to check out the current pricing. Like I said, as of this recording, a little bit under $200. Like this video if it was helpful, and I will catch you in the next one.